friends, TUXX here. You know, I got a hot tip that there was a new improved router at Comcast Xfinity, okay? In our house, we do have two internets to try and make sure we're always online, and Comcast is the fastest of the two. That's why we keep it. Comcast tends to be the fastest. But there was some problems. Our internet went down overnight, and then in the morning it was still down, so I called tech support, and the AI, and it was AI, like, lied about being AI. First it was like, oh, I'm not AI, you know, and I was like, can I speak to a human? And they're like, I'm human, you know, and you can tell there's like a long pause between each response as it processed what it was supposed to say. But anyway, the rep in the place at Comcast was super duper nice, and this is what I got. And there's a happy ending to this story too, but I'm gonna put this down here first. I'll show you in a second. When I went out there to get the modem, the router, they ended up giving me a refurbished one. Okay, so I wasn't super happy about that. I'd rather have gotten a new one in box, but you know, maybe it's people have returned them before or something. And this is what they ended up giving me, was a router in a shrink wrap with let's activate your Wi-Fi router. Comes with a power supply. It honestly looks like my old one. So I don't think it's the XB8, okay, which like they said was kind of quicker, but I don't know, it really looks the same. I think the power supply might be a different color there at the bottom. You can go back in the queue and look at my last one I opened. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I'll put this to the test, and if I have some legitimate like excitement about the speed difference or whatever, I will definitely let you know. But the reason why I'm making this video, honestly, is because of the other stuff. Like, she was super nice, and this is why humans are nice. Okay, so she gave me like a new cable, which is good, and sometimes that's in the box, but then she even gave me, like, check it out, like a little splitter device, which she totally didn't have to do that. So kudos to Comcast. But where it gets really interesting is they had cool swag. I was really impressed. Like, first they had these like little rubbery things for your cell phone, like for the back of your cell phone to put like a credit card in or whatever, for free, just waiting for you. So if you ever need one of these little rubbery credit card 3M sticky things, Comcast might just be your hookup. But it gets better. It does. They had these cool minion pins, so I was really pumped about these, like, quality pins. Oh my gosh, this is like an Xfinity. If you're into like collectible pins or pin collecting or whatever, like, this is like a $7 pin at like Disney or like I guess Universal. But very, very cool, nice quality. It's a metal pin. Let me go ahead and open one up here and show you. This type of thing, like at BlizzCon, there's a lot of pin trading, and I could probably trade this for something else since I have a few extras here. But very nice rubbery stopper. This is definitely what I consider like a high quality, like a retail ready, like $5 plus pin. So really cool to get that totally for free from Comcast. So that I was really pumped about. And then on top of that, in here they had these really thick, look at the thickness of the paper, super thick Mario posters. So if you wanted a Mario poster, let me just kind of show you there, Mario poster, free, you know. And this is like not paper, this is like thick cardstock, like thicker than business card, extremely thick, nice, like rubbery textured front. It's embossed, you can feel the letters raised. It's a super nice little poster for free, you know. So this type of thing, which would probably be like a GameStop pre-order or something. So if you want like some crazy little minion pins and a Mario poster, you know, you might want to go to Comcast and get a new router. And maybe this is faster, I don't know. Like, there's really not much to report here. In fact, if it wasn't for the freebie stuff, I wasn't gonna make a video on this. It's the same number of ports, same coax in, same power. Everything looks really the same to me. So I don't know if there's anything to report. In fact, I got a, you know, refurbished one, is kind of like making it not as good of a video too. So I wanted to do a true unboxing of a fresh new one, but it's okay. These things happen. I wasn't gonna make a big deal about it, you know. But all the little freebies, cell phone holder pins, cool Mario poster, it had me thinking like, not bad, not a bad haul from Comcast, you know. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. I just want to show this real quick, and I will report back. If this is significantly faster than the previous Wi-Fi router from Comcast, I will let you know. But it really appears to be, maybe there's some difference on the inside or something. But I'm hoping that my effort to go out there and get a new router actually does pay off with some new increased speed. And it's already fast. That's why we keep it. You know, I don't use Comcast for cell phone or for TV or anything, just for business class Wi-Fi. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.